Yake yenzeka into uyiphuphe that very same day or that very same on the morning of that very same night uyiphuphile ivele yenzeke. Guys, ngine-trauma, yazi ngine-trauma. Izolo, I was not at work. Some of you saw it ukuthi ngiphostile ngenza i-post where I was saying ukuthi ngaze ngakhala ekuseni. Hey guys, ngikhalile. Have you ever cried? Ukhala because of i-pain ye-strange ongasazi nokusazi, ukhala because that person is in pain and uyayifila i-pain deep down from ukukhala kwakhe ukuthi lo muntu waze wadlula ebuhlungwini, ngaze ngafisa ukwenza something but you don't know what, but the person is in deep pain. Izolo bengingaya emsebenzini, so I woke up in the morning because it's a norm for me makuqala unyaka, I always go and do my medical checkups. So I do my pap smear, I do my bloods, I do my BP, my cholesterol, everything that you can think of. I usually do that makuqala unyaka. So yesterday was one of those days. Uma ngifika ke ekseni ke bengi early because doctors there aqala ngo-10 ukusebenza. Uma ngifika ngiqale kwi-dentist, ngifike ngibuza ukuthi i-dentist izofika ngasikhatsini today because amalanga awafani. Angitshela usisi I know uLesithathu today uzofika ngabo 11. Ngithi hayi ngoba uzofika ngabo 11 ngicela ubungikhiphele ifile lami angihambe ngiyoqala kwi-GP. Kwi-GP vele kubanjwe i-queue. There is no point yokwenza i-appointment kwi-GP because uhleze nama-emergencies, hleze kufika abantu abagulayo, so noma ngabe uyenzile i-appointment, so it just doesn't matter. Nginayo i-appointment ne-GP kodwa ke it's that situation. So uma ngifika-ke ngiyahlala esihlalweni ngiyabuza ukuthi ubani ogcinile, bathi bangibonisa ukuthi ubani ogcinile. Bese-ke ayafika usise reception, athi angihlale phansi ngilinde kancane, usacela ukuqedela something, and then nje mzuzwana kungapheli nesikhathi singakanani futhi Nkosi yami asheshe angibize ngihambe-ke ngiyomnikeza ama-details wami, akhiphe ifile yami. Ngithatha ifoni yami ngiyicofa nje isikhashanyana ngihlale phansi. Uma ngihlala phansi kube khona lo sisi ongibingelelayo nje with a friendly smile, athi ngizwile ngesikhathi wenza ukhiphe ifile lakho uthi wakamfeka nami ngwakamfeka. Hayi kube leyo nto kube mnandi, oh mama Nguni, oh mama Zimela, ngathini. Siyaxoxa-ke nalo sisi, sesixoxa nje ngazi ukuthi kade sazana, sekuyilo nto nje siyachatha, ubuye akhulume nefoni-ke naye ngathi une-trauma, nento azama ukuyidila nayo nje ehambisana ne-family phakathi. Abuye angixoxela ukuthi hey family ave ihlupha, izingane zinjani. Sithe sisaxoxa kanjalo nalo sisi, qhamukiyane uma wengane ulandelwa ugogo ngemuva. Bahamba bayashesha, uyabona ukuthi it's an emergency, kuyaphuthuma. Before usisi engixoxela about izingane ezihluphayo avela angene udokotela because ngesikhathi mina ngiyovula ifile yami ngibuzile kusisi ukuthi udokotela namhlanje uzofika esikhathini. Ngiyamazi vele ukuthi ufika ngabo 10, if late 10:30 or 11:30, athi hayikhululeka sengangena noma ingasiphi isikhathi kusukela manje. Ngithi ngiqeda nje mina ukuvula ifile yami ngihlala phansi, akuphelanga ngisho 5 minutes wabe ngena udokotela nesikhwama sakhe, angene shwi ahamba ayongena ngale, and then abize intombazane le emsizayo akhulume nayo kancane, and then intombazane iqale ukubiza amafile. Ingakokuqala ukubiza amafile intombazane sesaxoxa nje nosisi esangixoxela indaba ukuthi intontoni izingane ziyahlupha and what not. Kuvele kungene lo mawengane, uma wengane uphethe ungena ukuke ingane uyiphethele la esifubeni, but uyabona ukuthi akulona usana, mhlambe i-toddler leya, mhlambe ino-2 and a half somewhere there, kodwa umuntu ombonayo ukuthi umuntu ekumele ukuthi useyahamba because ubona ngisho imlenze ukuthi imidwe, but indlela ambambe ngayo umbambele esifubeni and umboze halfway, imlenze kuphela evelile ngezansi, umbambile nje umkuke engazi ukuthi uphethe a newborn. Okay fine, angene gijima uma wengane, ungena uyashesha, angayi ngisho reception, vele kubonakala ukuthi it's emergency, asukuma usise reception amlandele, no nurse ngala phuthume kubizwe unurse ngenhlanhla, udokotela sekangenile aphuthunyiswa angenise kubizwe udokotela fast. Lo sisimengena ulandela ugogo nesikhwama, ugogo phela kusho ukuthi ugogo uphethe isikhwama sengane, ulandela ugogo nesikhwama, gijima nogogo alandela. Kuthe kusenjalo guys, udokotela baphuthume Nkosi yami, fast and quick, udokotela wayesela wabamba wayeka. Kuthe kusenjalo udokotela saba-attenda, awuphelanga guys u5 minutes eba-attenda, awuphelanga u5 minutes eba-attenda, kuvele kwaqhuma isililo. Uyasibona lesi sililo esi-deep esijulile that comes from a deep painful place. Uyasibona leso sililo esijulile that comes from a deep painful place. Wakhala lo sisi, yezwa, wakhala, waskrima. Meka skrima kanjalo waphuma, wahlala emabhentshini, wasukuma, waphindela ngaphakathi la kunodokotela khona nengane, waphinde waphuma. Ugogo angithi bekade ehlele elinde ngaphandle, ugogo wahamba wayongena, kusho ukuthi nogogo ufike wabuza ukuthi kwenzakalani, naye wajoyina esililweni ugogo. Hey guys, ngine-trauma. I'm traumatized till today. I'm traumatized because in the morning, the night before, okay, ebusuku bakhona, I dreamt ngaba naleli phupho leli, and ngathi uma ngivuka ngiphaphama ngakhuleka, uma ngiqeda ukukhuleka, and I was like, immediately I knew ukuthi leli phupho engiqeda ukuliphupha lisho isifo. Inhliziyo yami nje yavele iyajala, ngavele ngakhathala already. Uma ngiya lapha kadokotela ngifika nje vele ngiyinto engazi ukuthi icobekile nje, ngisindwa na umzimba. Little did I know ukuthi lento ebengiyiphupha ngiyoyi-experience alive. Siswa abantu, ingane ishonile, apparently mekangena naye eyikukile kanje ibisishonile already. And uma sengiyongena-ke mina ngadokotela ke later on-ke sengiyongena, udokotela useyaxolisa ukuthi usilindise isikhathi eside. Ngithi mina hayi nokhululeka, I understand ukuthi it's a crucial job, and uma ngabe kunama-emergencies you have to attend to the emergencies. And I think we saw what happened, and everybody else that was on the waiting room saw what happened. So that was a situation that was out of your control, so it's fine, you don't need to apologize for that. It's terrible because I do believe ukuthi lo mntwana ebesengasinda. Uyabona guys, into lempi uJacinta ngobese aphezu kwayo ayikho encane, and siyadinga ukumsupporta ngayo yonke indlela esingamsupporta ngayo. Singamsupporta ngomkhuleko, singamsupporta ngemali, singamsupporta noma ingane singamsupporta ngayo, because uyabona lento ayishoyo ukuthi our systems are frustrated. Education system, health system are frustrated. More esibhedlela sakahulumeni, any time of the day, with whatever kind of emergency, you are always going to be sent home. You are always going to be asked to wait. You're always going to be told akuna medication. You're always going to be told akuna mbhede. Apparently leya ngane kuthiwa igulile ngendlela egule ngayo, yahanjiswa esibhedlela izolo sakahulumeni on a day before. Yafika esibhedlela unina watshela ukuthi akunambhede, bamnikeza sa-Panado syrup, kuthiwa bamnikeze 10 mils of Panado syrup. That's the only thing abamnikeze yona. Umntana ebe egula eshisa eyetha enjani. That's the only thing abamnike yona, bathi akagoduke. Usefika ekuseni uma wakhe sendiza nje kanje abalalanga. But uthi udokotela ke ukuba ibisizakele le ngane yalaliswa yathola ama-drip in time ngabe isindile. And it's so painful ukuthi such a young soul has been robbed of impilo because of negligence yabantu baka-government hospitals. And I don't think it's because they are negligent, they are overstretched. Ama-resources awekho. Guys, ngine-trauma. I have never seen into enjeyaya. Ukhalile lo asisi guys, wakhala kabuhlungu ngaphakathi, ngigcine sengimjoyina nami ngikhala, angazi ngikhalelani, angazi nokuthi kwenzakaleni, but ke later on we find out ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Guys, it was so painful. Into engizwise ubuhlungu kunazo zonke, it's when ingane sekuphuma unesi, seyiphethwe unesi ke manje eyifake entweni engazi ukuthi it's a small stretcher nje sabantwana, eseyimboze ngeshidela imhlophe. Mawayo ke Nkosi yami silandela ngemuva beyongena kuleli linye room eyimemeze ibiza ngegama Sibanibani ivuka. Sema ngifike endlini ngafike ngabakhulekela, ngathi Nkosi ngiyabakhulekela, ngicela ubaqinise noma yini abanzima, yazi yanzima into ababhekene nayo. To lose a child nje. Guys. To lose a child. A young, promising life that still has a future. I just cannot imagine what they're going through. I just cannot imagine. Cela sibabeke emkhulekweni. Kunzima guys. Kunzima. I would advise you ukuthi if you can, thola noma iloko kubizwa nge-medical insurance. Leyanto ibizwa medical insurance ibiza la koba 400-600, it depends ukuthi nibangakanani. It's cheaper than i-medical aid. Akufani, at least uma une-emergency uyokuthola ukusizakala ka-private faster and better, because into engiyibona izolo